Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your phone number on Etsy. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your phone number on Etsy, firstly go ahead and launch open your Etsy application. The home page of Etsy application will appear on the screen. Click on U button at the bottom right side of the page. Tap on Settings option. You will end up on the settings page of your Etsy's account. From the settings page, click on Manage Addresses. Tap on your address, scroll down and edit your phone number. After you're done editing your phone number, tap on Save. This is how you can change your phone number on Etsy's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.